I'm not home right now, but I want to make a video on Pandora. I already made a few videos basically talking about the token. And right now the volume is at 11 mil. Market cap is at 128 mil, so it's around 10% volume to market cap. We've got some on-chain analysis. We already talked about the website like way too many times. But the on-chain data doesn't really show anything. We pretty much had that before as well. If we go to CoinMarketCap, by the way, this video is no financial advice. Sort by volume. Most of the volume is happening on few exchanges. So XT, and then we have Uniswap and Bank. The reason behind that is basically the fees, the Ethereum fees. So that's not very helpful for sure. So the volume is way higher than this. Combined volume on all the platforms, it is 28 mil, which is 18% volume to market cap, like 2.8 times, 2.7 times higher than this. When we go to the chart and pattern, and this is where everything starts to get interesting. So first of all, I've taken a lot of trades, and again, I have talked about Pandora in the past. If we go here and I type in Pandora, you can see that I've made 3 videos. And we had one on February 9, 12, and 15. So 9th was the first video I made. 9th, just after pump, 9th, 12th, and 15th. And pretty much was very active. And I told you on the 15th, wait, do not buy here. And we dumped a lot. So the question is, what happens now? Because we are at a major support area. Link in the description down below if you want to find all my trades. I've had a bunch of Ethereum trades last week. Link in the description down below to sign up for my signals group. And link in the description down below to sign up for my course. If you want to learn not just how I trade and I'll go in depth with Pandora, but how I, not just to get a fish, but how I fish, you probably want to go in the description down below and check out my course. So there you'll find beginner stuff, but also a very in-depth stuff. My secret weapons when it comes to trading, to analyze and find deep value in daily bias. My strategy and the patterns I use, how I find token cycles, my favorite patterns to trade, how I follow whales' footsteps, how I identify my environment, and how I find tokens that just came out. So all of this is actually available in the description below. Definitely do check it out. And if you want to stop getting rugged, start buying early when whales accumulate, you want to learn more about the course. Wow, my eyes, something's happening with my eyes because I've been working, recording so much in the last few days. So what we can see right here on the chart is that we are at a major buying area again. So we go here, and if we add a few tools like the box, you can see that here on the 15-minute chart, as soon as we came here, we had massive selling from people just dumping and being afraid because we went below this high and this high, which by the way is my favorite pattern to trade. This is exactly the pattern I trade right here for the first pump. This is a very simple trade. I would have taken profit around, if I bought in here, I would have taken profit here, to be honest. Maybe I would have rebought and taken again, so double this. So I take very quick scalps on these tokens. So here, as soon as we lost this low, a lot of people just dumped their tokens, which was actually not a stupid idea. Then we had a new accumulation happening right here. Went to 22K, 25K, whatever, started dumping again. And now we had major selling, dumped major selling right here in terms of volume, major selling. We had a 25K buy and a 26K buy from someone that's flipping this token. And you should not get, and these are 2 scalpers. One is up around 10-12%, one was up 25%. But you need to understand something that I added to the course. It is about scalpers, so you want to filter them out. So this for some reason isn't shown here. But yeah, I had it shown before. Okay, so we are pumping again. Most of this revenue is from bots, which will sell on the first candle like this. So basically, if we have it on the second wave, is a bot selling, or the end of this candle would be bot selling. We have a turtle soup pattern that we're breaking out of with some okay-ish accumulation. And the way I would trade this is, if we start dumping and I want to always buy on a dip, I never buy on a pump anymore because it's not worth it. It's always better to be patient. Yes, breakouts are cool, but this is what retail traders buy. If you see all the whales are buying, they can buy on a pump, but on the first day, but that's a whole different cycle, right? That's the whole different pattern. That's a cycle 1 pattern, and you gotta understand which cycle are you at. So right here, I would wait for a pullback, see if the high is still good. Right now it's good. So if we wait for a pullback to here, I would buy. So set up some alerts. Yes, it can pump a lot, but I'd rather have 10-20 alerts on different pairs. And when everything meets my criteria, that's where I go in. So this is how I trade it. Again, no financial advice. Love you with all my heart. See you next video.